lesson is about points, lines, and rays. But before we talk about points, lines, and rays, we need to talk about what geometry is. Geometry is the study of properties of points, lines, planes, and solids. Okay, our first concept today is the point. A point is a location in space. It's marked with a dot, has a letter beside it, and so this point right here we would name point A. Our second concept is a line. A line is a straight path that continues without end in both directions. Notice how there's arrows at each end of our line showing that it goes forever in both directions. And this line has 2 points on it. It has point A and point B. Now, we can write this line 2 different ways. We can call it line, and to show it's a line, we put a little line with 2 arrows, one on each end, and we can write it as line AB. Or I can write it as line BA. Alright. The next concept is a line segment. Now, a line segment is the part of a line between 2 endpoints. So this part right here is the line segment, and these are my endpoints. A and B are my endpoints. Now, to write this one, I'm going to draw just a straight line. I can write this as line segment AB, or I can write it as line segment BA. Alright. Our last one is called a ray. Now, a ray is part of a line that has one endpoint and goes on without end in one direction. Notice how my line starts here and it goes all the way out past point B and has an arrow. This is what makes it a ray. It has an arrow on one end and an end point on the other. Now, unlike the other things we've studied, like a line segment or a line, there's only one correct way to write this. To write this, you're going to draw a line with an arrow on one end, and the end point is named first. So this is ray A